Azure Synapse PowerShell is a set of CMDlets that allows you to manage and automate Azure Synapse analytics resources. To get started with Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to have PowerShell installed on your machine and the Azure Synapse PowerShell module. The first step is to install the Azure Synapse PowerShell module. You can install it by running the command install module name Azure Synapse. Once installed, you need to import the module by running the command import module name Azure Synapse. To use Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to connect to your Azure account by running the command connect as account. After connecting to your Azure account, you can use various CMDlets to manage your Azure Synapse resources, such as creating and managing workspaces, databases, and pipelines. Azure Synapse PowerShell provides a range of benefits, including automation of repetitive tasks, creation of custom scripts, and integration with other Azure services. It also provides a range of CMDlets for managing security and access control, including creating and managing roles and users. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using meaningful names for your resources, keeping your scripts organized, and testing your scripts before running them in production. It is also recommended to use the latest version of the Azure Synapse PowerShell module to ensure you have access to the latest features and CMDlets. In terms of key concepts, it is essential to understand the different types of resources you can manage with Azure Synapse PowerShell, including workspaces, databases, and pipelines. You should also understand how to use the different CMDlets to create, modify, and delete these resources. Practical examples of using Azure Synapse PowerShell include creating a new Azure Synapse workspace, creating a new database, and creating a new pipeline. You can use the CMDlet new Azure Synapse workspace to create a new workspace, the CMDlet new Azure Synapse database to create a new database, and the CMDlet new Azure Synapse pipeline to create a new pipeline. Overall, Azure Synapse PowerShell is a powerful tool for managing and automating Azure Synapse analytics resources. By following best practices and understanding the key concepts, you can use Azure Synapse PowerShell to streamline your workflow and improve productivity.